Hello everyone, welcome to our most important lesson yet, decimal division. This is a key skill you will use all the time and we'll learn it step by step, starting with a simple concept and moving to more complex problems. And let's get started on this exciting new adventure. I'm Bryce Chen from Veritas Collegiate Academy, Arlington campus. By the end of this lesson, you'll have mastered decimal division. We will cover 4 main scenarios, starting with the basic concept of sharing, then moving on to dividing integers to get decimals, dividing a decimal by an integer, and finally, dividing an integer by a decimal. And let's begin. Let's start with the most important idea. Division means sharing equally. Decimals are the result we get when we can't split something into whole pieces. For example, if you have one whole pizza and 2 friends, you have to cut the pizza. Each friend gets a part of the pizza, not a whole one. That part is a decimal. Let's take the example of 1 divided by 2. Imagine you have 1 pizza and you want to share it equally between 2 children. And each children gets half of the pizza. We know half is the fraction 1/2, which is, as a decimal, it would be 0.5. So 1 divided by 2 equals 0.5. Now let's try another one. 3 divided by 2. If you have 3 chocolate bars and 2 friends. First, you give each children 1 whole chocolate bar. You have 1 chocolate bar left. You then split that 1 into 2 halves, and each friend gets 1 whole chocolate and half of a chocolate, which is 1.5. So 3 divided by 2 equals 1.5. Now let's learn how to do this using the standard division method. When you divide 2 integers and it doesn't come out evenly, you get a decimal. Let's take 5 divided by 2 as an example. The process is similar to regular division, but with a couple of extra steps. When you hit a remainder, and here are the 3 steps. And let's break down. Let's break down 5 divided by 2 step by step. 2 goes into 5 2 times, and we write 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and subtract that from 5, and we have a remainder of 1. Since we have a remainder, we add a decimal point to our answer and a 0 to the remainder, making it 10. Now 2 goes into 10 5 times, and we write 5 after the decimal point. The final answer is 2.5. Dividing a decimal by a whole number is even easier. The key rule is to bring the decimal point straight up from the dividend into your answer. And let's try 4.8 divided by 2. Divide 4 by 2 to get 2, and then bring the decimal point up, and finally divide 8 by 2 to get 4. And the answer is 2.4. And here is the process of how you do decimal division. And it's practice time. Here's my first question. 7 divided by 2. Think about sharing 7 cents between 2 people. Each get 3 whole cents and half of the last one. So the answer is 3.5, which is option B. And here's my second question. 6.9 divided by 3. Remember to bring the decimal point up. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. The answer is 2.3, which is option A. Fantastic, everyone. Okay, congratulations, everyone, decimal masters. You have successfully learned how to divide decimals in various situations. This is a huge accomplishment. Remember the different rules for each case and keep practicing. You're now ready to tackle any division problem that comes your way. Great job, everyone.